What's good, YouTube? This shit's early in the morning, so I'm not finna talk loud. Baby cake sleeping in the background. I wanted to go ahead and show y'all the strategy and process. So, I took a trade on Forex, and although it was a degenerate trade, it seems to be playing out. A GU trade. So check me out. Came down, pushed up, made a support. Now, this is where I'm supposed to be selling from. As you guys can see, like I said, every time you get pattern in a major zone, they good. Here's another M. I'm expecting a retest here to continue to fall. But I took a degenerate trade to show y'all what'll happen if you trade against the trend. Feel me? Well, little to be known. I let it run for about 7, 8 hours. This is where I thought it was gonna fall. And it rejects. Now it made an inverted head and shoulders. Broke the neckline. And just was wiggling straight through. And this was all New York session until I got back home. This is the current trade right now. So let me give y'all a rundown. Where's my little bookie book? I'm making noise. A little death note. Let's go to my daily. So we have a support on the daily. We made a support, we stopped here. Cool. 4 hours showed me a W. Now, the next video I drop is going to be about imbalances and all that other stuff. But when you see a W, you come to the neckline. There's normally a retest of the W to push up. This is an M. Market structure is sells, so you want to go with the M's. Hence the reason why my TP is at the M. Feel me? Cool. But I said this degenerate trade might prove some worth. When I say degenerate, always think of counter trend. Cool. So I said this degenerate trade might prove some worth. And I took it. This is the 4 hour. This is a 4 hour play. As you can see, London session is going good, which means New York should sell this down. As you can see, let me see if I can go show you. If you traded candlesticks, this is what you was looking at all day, all night. You don't see an inverted head and shoulders in this, do you? Neither do I. So there you guys go. A degenerate counter trend trade. It was a win-win situation. If I lost, I get to show y'all what not to do. If I won, you're not supposed to take counter trend trades. But with the strategy, you can do it if you got patience enough. Sometimes these win, sometimes these lose. You feel me? So, but that's it. When it hits TP, realistically, I want to take a sell somewhere around here in this box. Preferably, I think that was it. Yeah. Now, this is beginning to look like the end of an uptrend. If it can push up and break through this box, we're looking at a bigger W to at least come tag these lows. But for right now, right here is cool. Can it react off of these lows and drop? It most definitely can. But I'm just showing y'all, it's counter trend. It can react off whatever it wants. I'm just showing y'all what works for me. Slide over to the future side. And we got gold hitting a key box. We want entry up here. So we'll just wait for gold to come up. Retest the neckline of this M that happened at a major zone, as you guys can see. Same thing here. A W, major zone. W's, like we were talking about in the first video, the second video. M's and W's at major zones. Where's your entry? Necklines. If you miss your entry, get a retest. Can you buy this up to get to this neckline? Yes, you can. But who's to say it doesn't reject off of here, since this is a higher time frame M, and just drop? Feel me? I'm really looking for a smaller time frame rejection break past these lows to tell me we should be ready to start going down now. If not, and we keep making higher highs, then we should get up to here. But I have to react and not try to guess. This is US 30, and it completely rejected what I wanted it to do. Where did it drop to? See, it didn't even fall nowhere. It just went right back to this M. And dunked off. Big M. And retested on a higher time frame. And now you could sell it off back down to this W. Or this W. Whichever one you feel comfortable with. We'll probably come review this later on and see. But for right now, our best trade is GU. There's other pairs that we could look at, we could watch, we can do all of that. But I'm not really trying to trade pairs. I'm just trying to show y'all how the strategy look. You feel me? So, step one, find support, find resistance. Step two, find a pattern within said support and resistance on the higher time frame. Step three, take the neckline break or take the retest, whichever one you feel comfortable with. Step four, stop loss underneath the box or underneath the imbalance. Step five, take your trade and just let it play out. I could have closed this shit many times. You feel me? But I don't even know what made me keep it open. But there you go. Remember guys, it's a degenerate trade, but as you guys can see, a W formed here, push up, we're bouncing off of this. If this doesn't hold, we should go straight to my TP. maybe to this imbalance right here. So we'll see if it plays out. I'll let you guys know, but I just wanted to show you all this trade, what I'm looking at for gold as well. So yeah, a rejection here will kind of make me want to get in a trade. But if not, and we shoot higher and we break above 2640 would be my entry. Yeah. Well, as we wait for this, I'm gonna go maybe smoke again, and from there, I'm not gonna leave it running for 8 hours again unless I take another trade and want to see that play out. So for now, y'all have a great rest of y'all night, but I just wanted to show y'all the strategy.